Warning: this video contains super awesome content not suitable for people who don't enjoy super awesomeness. Viewer discretion advised.
What's up, buddy?
MTV's looking at my crib.
Good morning.
¿Qué onda, cachas?
Good morning.
Welcome to my crib, guys. It's my mom's house. What's up, ¿cómo andas?
¿Qué andamos? ¿Qué
Hola,
andamos?
Georgie.
¿Qué onda? ¿Cómo andas?
Hey, José. Abre la puerta del garage, por favor, güey.
Ah, espérate.
How's the cruda?
How was last night?
Why you look like that? Like shit.
You mean this morning?
Huh?
You mean this morning? So, welcome to gap season.
Get behind the tire, Aldo.
Hey, ponte ya.
Aldo, no, acá, güey.
No, aquí, güey. Let me know you're ready.
Go.
Welcome to the gap season show, guys.
That was whack.
Yeah, that one was funny. Welcome back to the Gas Station Show. We're back here with the motherfucking vlog. We're here. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're supposed to be at the show already, but we're
Hey,
not.
make sure you guys like and subscribe.
And follow.
It's early in the video, but make sure you guys like and subscribe.
That's the first thing you gotta do before you even view the video. So we're out here, trying to help. We're helping George. Y'all see, like we're helping.
We're
him.
helping.
Yeah, we're helping him. Georgie.
He's getting beat.
They got beat down on the bumper. Like a kidding. Well, yeah, guys, we are doing last minute. What time is it? Fuck.
It's Don't view my hose, but it's 9:58. We're supposed to be at the show already.
We're throwing
We're
the
supposed to be
forces.
like
you see
2 hours.
some people at the show since like antenoche?
5 o'clock in the morning.
I
Bro, you see the drop shop's gonna be at another
Yeah, baby TRX is
Bro,
gonna
that
be
shit
there.
badass, bro.
Oh, no. Oh, my man.
I'm more excited about Gap Season being there, bro.
Yeah.
I'm more excited about Gap
Because
Season,
they
bro.
some hoe. I mean, they cool.
Delete.
Really? Cut? No, but we're here. Putting the wheels on the truck because this nigga had to polish them, put tires, and this boy came in clutch last minute.
course.
Because someone that wasn't on time to pick up the fucking wheels.
Hey, I'm done recording this, but
Oh, what the fuck happened here? What happened?
fell off. And we're in a shootout and it fell off.
Hold on. Whoa. But yeah, guys.
We got the Gabarari.
Oh, the Gap Ferrari
The Gabarari.
on wheels.
Yeah. Cosmics.
Cosmics.
Hey, you know your shot, right? Bro, your eyes.
No, that's asco, la verga.
I'm gonna get in the sink. What?
Bro, your
My
eyes.
God.
Your eyes, bro.
Bro, I haven't slept nothing, bro. I haven't slept nothing, guys. I have not slept.
Damn. Polish, ready to go. But
Yeah, okay, polish.
Hold on, let me put the scratches on the top. Okay,
Yeah.
there we go.
Polish.
Polish. Yo, they talking shit about your wheels, man.
No, we're not.
Why? We like them.
We love them. They're like fucking satellites.
Hey! He should have moved this truck. I told him to move it. I don't know why he didn't move it. God.
Oh, my boy putting the spacers on too. He don't give a fuck. Bro, he 14 wide, 2-inch spacers. 2.5, right? 2.5. They're 2.5.
An inch.
No way.
They're 2.5.
An inch closer to death.
An inch closer. Yeah, an inch closer to that way. Bro, last minute Atlanta crunch time, bro. So we'll see you back in a bit. I'm gonna show you when he's done because I don't want to bore y'all. We want to get to the show right now. Truck Invasion. That's the whole crew. We got everybody else coming in. Fucking loud ass truck. Now I gotta reach reach out to them. I'll be back. Is it good? Fat boy. A ver, muérdale. The chef jar. Aquí andamos. Ponemos por $3. George, how does it feel being chef again?
Al chile a mí también me brincó, güey. ¿Qué mayo fue esa madre?
Bueno, casi a la verga. Ey, por estilo me dice,
Cuando no con mis compas y me pongo a pensar que agradecido estoy con mi Dios por gente leal, que gracias a Él aquí a mi lado siempre firme está. Le voy a agregar habido buenas y malas, aquí de todo hay. Las historias y cuentos que cantamos son real. Aquí si mida bien su lengua no se vaya a desgraciar. Las metas que un día fui apuntando poco a poco, gracias al esfuerzo que yo le fui dando, ya las pude yo lograr. Y no pienso yo parar, porque en mi mente no deja de correr la visión de unas bolsas repletas de puros azules bailas a gastar, y las hago regresar. Spin the bag and make it right back, bitch. You know how the fuck we do it. Puro estilo 1600, viejo. We going global, baby. Y arriba el templo, viejones. La gente con la que navego no son gente ideal, son gente que navega con el tero arriba. Venimos desde abajo y el estilo se nos da a notar. Con porrete malandro en las calles de la ciudad reina nos verán pasear, navegando en la lumbre, pues así nos gusta andar. La vida loca que llevamos no cualquiera la aguanta. Las metas que un día fui apuntando poco a poco, gracias al esfuerzo que yo le fui dando, ya las pude yo lograr. Y no pienso yo parar, porque en mi mente no deja de correr la visión de unas bolsas repletas de puros azules bailas a gastar, y las hago regresar. Y arriba el templo, viejones. Ya se la saben.
Por vivir como yo vivo, yo solo disfruto de las cosas porque jalo un chingo. Se fijan en el billete, no en lo que en realidad. Ay, mamá, por Dios que borracho vengo, que no se ganó de rigor, que me tocará el carrito, después se niño perdido.
Eventually.
What's up, guys? How's it going? So basically, it's a day later after the event. We got really fucked up Saturday after recording all those videos. We were just like, let's celebrate. Sunday, which is recovery day, we want to go eat at Mariscos and came straight home. So basically, I hope you enjoy the video. Just want to give a huge thanks to everybody that was out there supporting, everybody that bought merch, everybody that came say hey, everybody, all the friends that were out there. You know, shout out to Estilo 1600. They invited us to their tocada. That shit was crazy, as you could tell in some of the videos. El grupillo que estaba tocando in the beginning is Estilo 1600. I'm going to put the Instagram down below. Any events that y'all need tocadas, they play really good. So yeah, guys, like I said, huge thank you to all my friends that showed, that came out with the trucks, helping Gap Season kind of show out. Also, thank you to all the guys that bought merch. I am really thankful for all of y'all. We basically we took a lot of shirts out there, and la más quedó, I think it's like 3 shirts or 4 shirts, something like that. Shout out to my boy Cruz that sold like 6 shirts at last minute. But that was the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy the clip of Atlanta Truck Invasion. Shout out to Atlanta for inviting us out there. But yeah, guys, like I said, thank y'all to everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I will see you on the next clip. Because I'm going to record something that's going to shock y'all. I'm going to be like, what the fuck? So, y'all stay tuned for that video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.